Narcissism is a complex psychological trait characterized by an excessive focus on oneself, a sense of entitlement, a lack of empathy, and a grandiose self-image. It can manifest as narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, a diagnosable mental health condition. The development of narcissism is influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and psychological factors. Here are some key causes and contributing factors to the development of narcissism. Genetic factors. There is evidence to suggest that genetics play a role in the development of narcissism. Studies have shown that traits associated with narcissism, such as self-esteem and self-importance, have a hereditary component. However, genetics alone are not sufficient to explain the development of narcissistic traits. Early childhood environment. The family environment during early childhood plays a crucial role in shaping an individual's personality and behaviors, including narcissism. Overindulgence and excessive pampering by parents or caregivers can lead to the development of a grandiose sense of self-importance. On the other hand, inconsistent or overly critical parenting can contribute to low self-esteem, which might also manifest as narcissistic behaviors as a coping mechanism. Parental influence. A parent who exhibits narcissistic traits or engages in behaviors that prioritize their own needs over their child's can contribute to the child's development of narcissistic tendencies. Children may model their behavior after their narcissistic parent, seeking approval and validation through similar behaviors. Lack of empathy and emotional regulation. Narcissists often struggle with empathizing with others and regulating their emotions. These deficits can stem from early childhood experiences, where they may not have been taught how to understand and manage their emotions appropriately. Cultural and societal factors. Cultural values that emphasize individualism, success, and competitiveness can contribute to the development of narcissistic traits. In societies that place a high value on material wealth and external appearances, individuals may feel pressured to project a grandiose self-image to gain social recognition and validation. Social media and technology. The rise of social media platforms has provided a platform for individuals to curate and promote idealized versions of themselves. This can exacerbate narcissistic tendencies as people seek validation and admiration through likes, comments, and followers. Trauma and insecurity. Some individuals develop narcissistic traits as a defense mechanism against underlying feelings of insecurity, inadequacy, or trauma. By projecting a grandiose self-image, they attempt to shield themselves from feelings of vulnerability. Peer and academic pressure. In highly competitive environments such as academic institutions or workplaces, individuals may develop narcissistic traits as a means of coping with pressure to excel and stand out from their peers. Unrealistic parental expectations. When parents have unrealistic expectations for their children's achievements or success, it can lead to feelings of inadequacy. In response, some individuals might develop narcissistic tendencies to meet or exceed these expectations and gain approval. It's important to note that not everyone who exhibits narcissistic traits has narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. NPD is a diagnosed mental health condition that requires professional assessment and treatment. While the factors mentioned above can contribute to the development of narcissism, each individual's experience is unique, and a combination of these factors can interact in complex ways. Therapy, particularly approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy and psychodynamic therapy, can be helpful in addressing and managing narcissistic traits and their underlying causes.